morning, greetings, salutations, YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new episode of the vlog. Okay, so check it out. This is where that table in my room used to be. Folded it over, now it's a coffee table. But I wanted to put, I'm gonna put on this side, I'm gonna put coat rack, and then it's like a little bench right there. Yeah, so I just wanted somewhere to like people to be able to like put bags, jackets, or whatever right there. That's why I moved that thing out of the way. And then probably after the party, I'm gonna put it back. But I just really wanted somewhere where people can hang their stuff. Alright guys, as I'm cleaning, Mom is cooking. So she's making my favorite pasta of all time. I call it bacon pasta because it has bacon in it. Turkey bacon. And it has tomatoes and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, cheese. Delicious. Oh, look at that. Alright you guys, I'm gonna sample it. So I'm the official taste tester of all of Mom's food. Okay guys, so I'm currently steaming this and Mom's making some salmon in our beautiful fish shaped platters. Remember when we got these in the vlog? We got them at the Restoration Hardware outlet and they were on sale. I think they were only like $5 or something cheap, right?
$12.
Was it $12?
Yeah.
$12. And they can go into the oven, dishwasher, microwave, everything. So they're amazing.
Yep.
Look how cute those are. Alright guys, so all steamed up. I don't know, I cannot get those wrinkles out. Like they're still like, they're just permanently in there I think till the next time we wash it. But, so I'm trying out these pink pillows over the yellow ones. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it yellow for the time being. I think I definitely need more of an injection of like the pink than that. I think I probably need like maybe 1 or 2 other pink pillows. So I think I'm just gonna leave them yellow for the time being. Though it does look pretty good, but I just really love the yellow right now. And I think I just need more like pinkish pillows. So I'm gonna take these out and we have that. This is pretty much what it looks like right now. I love Jane Eyre right there. I love my other plant there as well. I love the yellow. The yellow is gonna stay for the time being, especially since it matches the other decor right now. Still have to pick up this. Then this is what this looks like over here. I'm gonna put a pillowcase in this. But I have my little bench. I put the fur on top of it because the red was a little too red. And yeah. Okay, now it's time to test the cream corn. Oh, I'm so excited to taste this. Alright you guys, I'm super excited to show you guys this base. Okay, so I turned off the fountain so that it wouldn't be like super loud. But I swapped these bases because this is the only area that doesn't get really windy. Like see how it's like really windy right now? It's barely hitting this area and it's perfect for eating because I don't want anyone's food to like fly away. So we also moved over this credenza that has like drinks. It's almost like a little drink station. So all the drinks are also inside the fridge over there too, which is perfect. So everything stays nice and cold. But I moved this area over here. I kind of used that kind of like a console table behind the sofa. And then now they're just facing each other and then people can like eat here as well. I might even push this one. I actually will push it closer together so that there's like, yeah, like probably like that, right? Yeah, so that way. Oh gosh, I still have stickers. This was $4. This is from the Goodwill and this is the Target chair, but look how cute that looks. Or chair, pillow, look how cute that looks. And then this is the table that I got from the Goodwill. The top was damaged and then I put this beautiful like faux marble top on here. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll try to have it linked, but this is just a giant sticker and that's what's on here and it has held up beautifully. It still looks fantastic. It looks like I literally just put it on and it has been out here for almost a year. It's been rained on, the heat, the cold, everything. I plant plants on here, like dirt gets on here, like we abuse this tabletop and it still looks really, really good. I actually kind of want to change it because I saw like some really cool new options, and yeah, so I think I kind of get the gist of how to do it now. Like you see the corners are a little like this. That's because of me from when I originally did it. So it's not just because of like wear or anything. That's just how it turned out. But it's because the corners are rounded, which makes it a little bit more difficult. Like the whole thing is rounded. So, but yeah, so this is how this looks. Let me go out this way. We have some plants right here. Those are like, sorry, like the lighting is a little janky, but this is how it looks. And then these are just old chairs, old benches from our old house, from our old furniture, and I just bring it out whenever we're gonna have a party and we need more seating. And I just have my horse on here, which is also thrifted. I have these giant gray planters, also thrifted, and pretty much all the decor out here is thrifted from the pots. And some of these other plants are from our old house. Like these are all from the old house. All those plants, just those two trees are not. We got them during Christmas. All this stuff is from the old house. And I have my air plants right over there. They're really liking being outside in like kind of like a shaded area that kind of gets a little bit of sun, but not too much. And I just water them pretty much every day whenever I water the other plants. And that's that. I'm trying to cover the microphone from the wind, but it's like really windy. But here's this. We're gonna start barbecuing in a little bit too. But I just took out all the floaty things so that they don't like fly and try to float anywhere. And then I'll show you guys this area. So I brought out the little kids table right here. So cute. This is the same faux marble top on the kids table. And I love it because it kind of matches the outside furniture pretty much perfectly. It's the same color. So excited. Then you come into here, everything's kind of a little simple still. Got some chips. We're gonna barbecue that. The food is right here, kind of on this table. This is the dessert table over here. Dad and John are watching something. Mom's over here cooking. This is the new entrance. I put that pillow on there. So it kind of looks like I feel like it kind of looks like a little mini sofa, which I think is really cute. So Mom is making her famous pavlova cake, and she's decorating it with some strawberries. Wow. You're making like a flower kind of design with them. Yum. Okay, this is it so far, but Mom still has a couple final touches to add to it, but look at that. What else is oh, here it is. It looks amazing. Mom, it looks like really red, white, and blue too. You should make this for the 4th of July. Hey guys, okay, so I am outside now and I'm about to start barbecuing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have here. I have this is gonna be chicken barbecue. I got some Korean beef barbecue here, like the beef ribs. I have beef on a stick right there, and more beef on a stick right there. Thank you, John. But the grill is now hot and ready, and let's get started. Alright, I had to get my oil first, so I just have a little bit of oil inside this bowl. I'm going to put it on this napkin, and then we're just going to brush it on, so that way it prevents the food from sticking too badly to the grill, and that'll be perfect. So you don't want to use too much, just like coat it lightly. And there is already like a little bit of oil in the food as well, but I still like to do it just a little bit. Alright, so let's get started. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. I apologize for like the horrible sound probably. Ooh, yes. You can hear that sear on there. Oh, amazing. So I'm cooking the chicken first, and then I'm gonna go to the beef ribs on the Korean barbecue. I think they're called spare ribs, right? Spare ribs. And then we're gonna do the beef on a stick at the very end. And the grill is like the cleanest it's been since we got it. Like I just did a deep clean on it, and it looks amazing. I'm so excited. It was a lot of work, but you know, you gotta do it every so often. And it really needed a cleaning because we use this thing so much. Especially during the summer, we probably use the grill probably almost every day because it's just so nice to cook out here. And I'm gonna get the rest of this chicken on here and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I just flipped them. Now this is like kind of like the annoying thing about when it's really windy. It's really hard to control like the evenness of the cooking, so you kind of just have to keep watching everything, which is fine. I'm kind of used to it, but yeah. Oh, looks so good. Those look delicious. I love the grill marks. Ooh, you guys, the chicken looks so good. Yum. Alright, now I just cleaned off the grill again, and the next item that we're going to be grilling up gonna be the barbecue ribs, so I cannot wait. Alright you guys, I'm on the last batch of food, and it is beef on a stick. So delicious. Yum. These are already done. These actually cook pretty fast because the meat's really thin. So these are almost done. We're gonna go inside. People are already here, and I cannot wait to start eating. Ooh, the food looks so good.
Give me a second, okay? I need to like.
Oh, let's go on the other side.
I don't know where Henry's is. I guess Henry's.
More food. He's like, they're looking at me, but I'm gonna go for it anyway.
What you eating, babe?
Hey guys, okay, so I'm in my room now, and it has been such a long day. I'm so sorry I didn't film as much as I wanted to during the party, but it just got really busy and I was just all over the place. But the party was a huge success. So much fun. The food was so good, and I'm still so full. I just finished tidying up a bit in the kitchen, and now I'm ready to relax and sit down for a little bit and work on tomorrow's videos. I think tomorrow is Father's Day, but since we celebrated today, I think I might go thrifting, but I'm not too sure. So we'll see about that. But I think we're gonna do like a little dinner thing still, obviously, for Father's Day tomorrow. And then, yeah, I'm like still hot from like cleaning, but it was such a success. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. I love like our little parties. I always have so much fun at them. So yeah, that ends the video. What else was I gonna say? Oh, and if anyone is interested in anything in the shop, let me know. DM me. It's 10% off the entire shop for the month of June. And yeah, so I love you guys so much. My brain is like totally gone. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Oh, don't forget to check out this morning's different video too. And I'll see you guys later.